So here, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is TG Sign over here, and this is USB to Ethernet port, and I'm right over here to show you how to work with it efficiently and installing all the drivers and why do we need it. So this is the packet with which I got a CD drive in it, which is having all the necessary files to install in your PC in order for this to work. So without any delay, let's jump into the content and let's see how to do it. So as you can see, this is the drive over here. I'll just keep it aside and let's see first with the adjustment of this thing. So here is my Ethernet port going into my laptop. I'll just take it out and plug it inside this set to show you how it goes. So here it goes inside into the male and the female goes in, and this is the thing. This is a USB port over here. So this will go exactly right inside my USB port in my laptop. That is my so I'll just adjust my camera. So as you can see, that is my Ethernet port over there, and I'm going to plug this into my female type USB port. So here is it, and I insert it right here. And now it's plugged in, a sound comes, and here it goes, it's connected. So you can see the red light blinking over the port, which indicates that this connection exactly perfectly established. Since I've installed the driver, it's blinking fast. If the driver is not installed, it won't blink that fast. It will just make a red blink and then it's pause for a while. So now let's see how to install the drivers. First of all, I'll just install the driver from the CD which I have it. So I have already copied it from another laptop inside this laptop. So here is the thing which it has. You're going to double click it and you have a permission coming up, yes, and that's it. The installation would start. Since I've already installed it, it's asking me to modify and all. I won't do that. I'll just continue next and that. So if it comes for you, you're going to click next finish, and that's it. The installation of this is completely over. Now let's go to the second step, how to do it. So second step goes like this. So you're going to go to the device manager of your laptop, and then you will see that there's a network and adapters option over there. So here you can see three options over here in which you don't have the thing. Now I will just disconnect the Ethernet connection coming inside my laptop and I'll connect that, and you can see there's a new thing coming up. So normally it won't be like that. It will be showing as a cross sign. As you can see here, there's a cross sign over there. That means it's not installed. It's from a different different laptop I've taken it, so it's quite small in section. So I hope you can understand it. So what you will do is just click over here, update the driver, and that's it. If you click on search online, you will get the drivers get checked online, and it will be completely installed. You no need even a drive CD to install it if you don't have a CD drive reader in your laptop. Now let's come to the network test. So right now I have plugged in my Ethernet here. I have gone to Okla over here, the speed test head. So you can see it's connected to my Ethernet. I just click on go. It's taking a time to load. Okay, now let's click go, and here we go. The test starts like this. Let the start begin. Okay, sometime. Okay, the ping is 3, and here the speed goes. It boosts us up to 90. My plan is of 90 mbps, so it takes speed like that around. Since many devices are connected, some device takes speed, some device doesn't take speed sometimes. It fluctuates a bit, not an issue, but it's above 80 always. So upload is also above 90. Since it's 90 mbps, 92, it's fine, not an issue with it. So here the speed goes like that, and as you can see, the speed in the bottom, it's megabits per second, and down it shows the megabytes per second. I'll just test this thing again. So here we go. As this test going on, let me tell you one thing. You normally need this USB Ethernet adapter for a main reason, that is, suppose you're using a Microsoft Surface or um, palm top laptops. Main thing, disadvantage it is that you won't have a Ethernet port in it. So if you don't have an Ethernet port, you can't work with it. So in that case, you need to have this USB to Ethernet adapter. So through which you can easily do this work, even if you have Wi-Fi. But if you need the fixed line services, you can use always the USB to Ethernet adapter to connect to Ethernet very easily. So now I'm switching to the USB to Ethernet. I have checked it out that. and here I go. I disconnected. It will soon show you that it's disconnected. As you can see here, it's disconnected. Now I'll disconnect back, and here you go. The connection established, and here you can see the bottom side it shows correctly. I click on go. Since this is my local one, I have bought it for around 240 rupees. If you go for online for terabytes, you will get it for around 270. So if you're not a prime customer in Amazon, it will go you around 50 rupees of delivery charges and then around 300. I prefer you to go with the nearby shops for this because it's very cheap product, and getting it online would cost you a bit higher. So now here the test goes. It's giving me a constant of 5 Mbps, which is very bad. In the box, it wrote me around 10 megabits to 100 megabits. It doesn't provide me that. I'm very sad with it, but still not an issue. It goes on with that speed. I'm loving it. So this is how it goes, and successfully tested. And now just again, guys. So what's speed going on? It's going to be same always. So let's test again, and yeah, ping is 4 right now. It's a bit increased, but still the speed is like 5.5. It's 6. Oh, it's touching 6 right now. That's good. This is how it's worked, and I hope you like the video. So if you're liking it, please hit the like button. I'll get courage to do it. I'll just zoom in and show you guys. But so here it goes, the speed. So if you're hitting this video, please dislike it and let me know in the comment section below why you dislike it so that I can improve my video as coming on days. Since many videos in my past shows me that my voice was not clear, I have bought a new mic in order to do this. Now, as you can understand, the noise has been cancelled out. So please keep supporting me, guys. Subscribe my channel if you're new, and stay tuned on my channel to get updates like this. So I'll just change back to my Ethernet over here to show you guys that I am not doing any fraud like that. It's a continuous video, as you can understand. The speed and all is being completely recorded. So I'm changing it to my back Ethernet port, and here you can see it, and I click on go, and that's it, guys. It's connected back to my that. Um, take some time to load, and here it will go. Yeah. So as you can see, it's speed task. That's it. Nothing else to say with it. So I hope you like it. Please hit the like button as usual and hit the dislike, and let me know in the comment section why you dislike it. Subscribe if you're new and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new videos coming up onto my channel. This is TG Sign signing out from here.